Hello guys, little hands here. Are you coughing? All day long? You can't sleep? I have the solution. You gonna stop coughing today. Just follow my instructions. Take one lemon. Cut in half like this. And then you're gonna eat 2 pieces with honey every day, twice a day. First, you're gonna eat this for 7 days. 2 pieces in the morning and 2 pieces before you go to the bed with honey for 7 days. And after that, you can eat 2 pieces 2-3 times a week. You never will cough again. Easy to eat this. Listen. Put 1 piece inside your mouth. And then you put honey to help you out. One more. Put 1 piece there. Don't bite. And then you put honey. It's so delicious, guys. Come on. Follow my instruction and stop coughing today. If you did this twice a day for like 5-7 days, and then 2 or 3 times a week, you never cough again. Listen to little hand. Bye.